I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to back up from camera roll. For that, first of all, open up your Snapchat app. After you open up your app, you can see a profile icon on top left corner. Tap on it. Now tap on settings icon, which is on top right corner. On my account category, you can see the option of memories. Tap on it. On storage category, you can see the option of import snap from camera roll. Tap on it. Select photos or videos from your camera roll you want to back up to your Snapchat account and tap on import snap. Now to check the snap, go back to your home page. Then swipe up or tap on the gallery icon. This way you can easily back up from camera roll. I hope this video was useful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.